In today's world, gadgets are becoming smarter, cooler, and increasingly useful. Like the Starfrit Rotato Express Electric Peeler, a clever gadget that peels fruits and veggies for you. Just place your potato, apple, or any firm fruit on the holder, lower the arm and press the button. It spins the food while the blade peels the skin off in seconds, fast and smooth, without using a knife. It has a non-slip base to stay steady and built-in storage for extra blades. When you're done, just wipe it with a damp cloth to clean. It's simple, safe, and makes peeling super easy. Next up is the Sicily Kitchen Sink Caddy, a smart way to keep your sink area clean and tidy. It has a rotating spout that turns in 3 directions, letting water from your sponge flow straight into the sink. No more puddles on the counter, and less cleaning for you. It's small, but fits a lot like a soap bottle, sponge, sink stopper, and up to 4 brushes. Each item has its own spot thanks to the divided design, which keeps everything organized. Made from strong stainless steel, it won't rust and is super easy to clean with just a quick rinse. Best part, there's no setup needed, just place it by the sink and it's ready to go. Simple, neat, and super handy. Next up is the Mueller Pro Chopper, a strong and easy tool that makes cutting food super quick. Just place your veggies on the blade, press down, and it chops them in seconds. It's simple to set up, easy to use, and fast to clean, saving you a lot of time in the kitchen. It comes with 8 sharp blades that let you chop, slice, dice, shred, and glue in using one tool. You can easily cut onions, tomatoes, cabbage, or carrots without any hassle. It also has a container that catches the food, keeping your counter clean and safe. After you're done, just take it apart and put it in the dishwasher. This chopper is perfect for busy people who want to cook fresh meals fast. It cuts your prep time in half and makes cooking easier and more fun. For those who care about the environment, the Wrinkle Prime Food Composter is honestly a game changer. It sits quietly on your kitchen counter and turns everyday food scraps into rich compost in just a few hours. The secret lies in its smart micro technology, which creates the ideal environment for natural breakdown. You can toss in up to 2.2 pounds of food scraps, and it transforms them into fertilizer within 2 to 24 hours. No hard work, and no waiting weeks like regular composting. Everything you need comes in the box: carbon filters, a starter pack, and a small shovel, so you can start right away. The best part is how clean and odor-free it is. Thanks to its 3-layer filter system, there are no bad smells hanging around your kitchen. It's also super quiet, running at just 28 decibels, which is softer than a whisper. You can keep it on all day without even noticing it's working. It doesn't use much power either, making it energy efficient and eco-friendly. And with its sleek, modern design, it fits nicely on any counter and even adds a stylish touch to your space. Wrinkle makes composting easy, clean, and fast, turning kitchen waste into something useful while keeping your home fresh and quiet. Next up is the Precision Cooker Nano 3.0, a smart tool that helps you cook like a pro.